guys, in this video I'm going to be doing the flash roll on my first scene natural hair. So this is the rod I got from the supermarket, and I'm just going to be patting my hair, applying some more water and brushing it, and then I'm going to apply it. In this video I actually make it more faster, so I'm not going into proper details in the video, but just keep on watching and see how I achieve the curling hair. First of all, guys, you guys should not forget that this is my first time on trying this on my natural hair, and it came out so wow, more than the way I expected it. The first thing you have to do when you pat your hair, you're gonna add a little water to your hair to make it a little bit wet, and add your musk to it, and then brush it and take the rod and wrap it in your hair on it. The edge of it, you need to make it flat, slip on the rod. That's most important, so the thing won't go out when you're sleeping, when you're gonna leave it throughout the night. You can leave it throughout the night, guys, to get proper dried, or you can blow dry it for 12 hours, 6 to 12 hours. It depends on when it's totally dry. That's the most important thing. Be careful when rolling this, because if you did not do it well, the curls are not going to come out the way you expected it to come out. So guys, I'm actually done doing it. Oh my god. Do you hear that? because the struggle of doing it is not easy. Like my hand, everything is just paining me, like paining me. And look at the back. I did a good job. For the first time, I think I did a good job. So yeah, and that's how the back is. Like I have a lot of hair and it's not easy, but this is my first time of doing it, so I don't know how it's going to turn out to be tomorrow. If it's good, okay. If it's not good, we move. So but anyways, I'm going to be covering it. Like, what's that? Those the ones that entered my hair bonnet. So I'm just going to cover it overnight. Guys, this is the next day me taking the rod out of my hair, and actually I'm so impressed with the coils. Boom, the coils was super nice and I was so impressed. Guys, my hair is just too much. Like my hair is super too much. I don't know if that's the reason it's looking like a dread or something. And right now I'm trying to separate it a little, because the more you separate it, the more volume you get. So it depends on you how you want your volume to be. That's the way you're gonna separate it. I did a little, I did not do much, because sometimes I don't really like a lot of hair. But yeah guys, this is it. And if you like this video, if you love the video guys, don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and on your bell notification, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, this hair is booming. See you guys in my next video, and enjoy the rest of this video. I love you.